There is no person in the world who would never eat chicken sausages. It is one of the most common products that every family buys. But how is this tasty and widespread product created? In this video, we will deal with this process from the very beginning. Since chicken sausages are made from chicken, the first step is to find it somewhere. And the first step starts with a chicken egg. The eggs are collected daily from the farm and then transported to the hatchery where they are incubated for 19 days. A special apparatus constantly turns the eggs over to keep them warm, thereby creating an imitation of a hen sitting on top of them. After the 19-day period, the eggs are vaccinated and transferred to hatching baskets where they will hatch within 2 days. As soon as the chicks hatch, they are separated from their eggshells, dried and sent to poultry farms for rearing and reaching a marketable age of approximately 40-45 days. In the sheds of the poultry farm, the temperature is maintained from 28 to 32 degrees Celsius. The floor is strewn with chips, and the chickens always have access to food and water, and they can roam freely in the barn. As soon as the total weight of the chickens reaches 31 kilograms per square meter, it is time to send them to the poultry farm for slaughter and cutting. For the delivery of live birds, they must be collected and placed in boxes. For this, special machines are used. At the same time, chickens should be able to move freely in boxes. At the poultry farm, chickens are immediately treated with steam after slaughter. After steam treatment, the carcasses are finally cleaned of fluff and feathers. After that, they go to the cutting. Special devices automatically separate legs, wings and thighs from the chicken carcass. To create minced chicken from chicken legs, workers manually trim the flesh. After that, the chicken meat mass is packed, frozen and sent to the warehouse in anticipation of being sent to manufacturers of sausages. Sausages and other semi-finished products. This spicy Korean sausage workshop makes 125,000 sausages daily. The delivered chicken meat pulp is first cut into smaller pieces to be sent to a meat grinder and minced chicken. After that, the minced meat is mixed with all the necessary ingredients, depending on the recipe. Upon completion of mixing, the finished mass for making spicy sausage is sent to a special filling machine. As soon as the filling process is over, the sausages are sent to the steam oven for cooking. After cooking, the sausage is cooled. After cooling, the sausage is passed through an apparatus that removes the film. Now the finished sausages go to the packaging stage. They are laid out in plastic bags of 10 pieces each. As soon as the sausages are placed in bags, they pass through a special apparatus that pumps air out of the package and seals it. Now the packaged sausages are sent for shock freezing, and from there the workers immediately put them into boxes. It remains only to deliver the finished product to the shops. There, spicy Korean sausages would be sold out to cook delicious lunches and breakfasts. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. Write in the comments under this video your opinion and what you liked the most. See you in the next issue. Bye.